In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your past bills in Shopify. This can be an invaluable skill for anyone running an online store, ensuring you stay on top of your financial management. No matter whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or someone who's just getting started, following these steps will help you access your billing history with ease. First things first, let's begin by heading over to your Shopify admin. You'll want to navigate to My Store on the Shopify homepage. This is the central hub for managing your shop, where you can easily access various settings tailored to your store's needs. If you're not already signed in, make sure to do so with your account credentials. Once you're in the admin panel, our next move is to locate and click on the Settings tab. This section is crucial because it provides access to many options for configuring your store to your personal preferences. Settings is your gateway to tweaking everything from your store's appearance to its payment options. Now, it's important to note that from here, you'll need to scroll through the options available until you reach what we're really interested in today: the Billing section. Click on Billing, and you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to all things related to your financial transactions with Shopify. Everything from managing payment methods to viewing invoices happens here. This section is particularly helpful because it provides an overview of your current billing status and options to manage upcoming payments. Within the billing area, there's a specific option we need to utilize, which is to view your past bills. You'll find a link titled Past Bills, which you will then need to click. This link acts as a doorway, leading you to detailed records of every billing statement Shopify has issued for your store. Here you can view and analyze past charges, understand trends in your expenses, and make informed decisions about your store's financial strategies. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly access your store's billing history on Shopify, keeping you well-informed and in control of your business finances. Knowing how to efficiently track and review your expenses is a critical part of running a successful online store, helping you budget, plan, and grow towards your business goals confidently. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Managing your finances becomes much less of a hassle when you know exactly where to find the information you need. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or if you have any questions or additional tips to share, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching and happy selling.